A hands-on video claiming to show the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has recently appeared online, and it has quickly caught the attention of smartphone fans. At first look, the video seems convincing. It shows the phone from multiple angles, focuses on the camera design, and even includes what looks like retail packaging. Many viewers initially believed this could be the first real look at Samsung's next Ultra flagship. However, a closer and more careful look raises serious questions about whether this device is real or just a clever fake. The phone shown in the video appears to match previously leaked CAD designs of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. CAD files are usually shared early with accessory makers so cases and screen protectors can be prepared in advance. These files show the shape, size, and button placement of a phone, but they do not confirm final materials or finishes. Because of this, dummy units based on CAD files are very common, and this video shows many signs that the device is exactly that. One of the first things that feels off in the video is the packaging. Samsung is known for its clean, minimal, and well-fitted retail boxes. In this case, the phone inside the box looks loosely placed, which is not normal for a premium flagship device. Samsung usually designs packaging where the phone fits perfectly and feels secure when opened. Here, the presentation looks unfinished and lacks the polished feel expected from a device that could cost well over $1,000. The box design itself looks similar to Samsung's usual style, which may have been done on purpose to make the video seem more believable. However, the overall quality of the packaging feels cheap and rushed. This is a common sign of unofficial packaging used with dummy units. These boxes are often created just for display or video purposes and are not meant for actual retail use. Moving on to the phone's design, the most talked about feature is the camera layout. The video shows a dual-column camera arrangement with multiple camera rings placed in two vertical lines. This design matches earlier leaks and suggests Samsung may be changing how the Ultra camera system looks. Samsung has always focused heavily on camera performance, and a new layout could mean upgraded sensors or improved internal hardware. Another noticeable design detail is the shape of the phone. The Galaxy S26 Ultra shown in the video appears to have slightly rounder edges compared to older Ultra models. Previous Ultras were known for their sharp, boxy corners, which some users found uncomfortable during long use. If Samsung is indeed moving toward rounder edges, this could be a smart change aimed at improving comfort while keeping the premium look intact. However, even though the design looks interesting, the build quality shown in the video raises major red flags. The camera rings appear to be made of plastic rather than metal. On a real Samsung Ultra device, camera rings usually feel solid and premium. Plastic camera rings are a strong sign of a dummy model, as these units are not meant to be fully functional. The back panel and overall finish of the phone also lack the refined feel expected from a flagship device. The surfaces look dull, and the materials do not reflect light the way glass or high-quality metal usually does. This further supports the idea that the phone is not a finished product, but a mock-up created for visual reference only. Dummy units are commonly used by accessory manufacturers, case makers, and even content creators. These units help companies understand the phone's size, thickness, and button placement. They are not designed to turn on, take photos, or show real performance. Because of this, they often use cheaper materials like plastic and unfinished coatings. If the design elements shown in the video are based on real CAD files, they may still offer some clues about Samsung's future plans. The possible move toward rounder edges suggests Samsung is paying attention to user comfort. The dual-column camera layout hints that the company continues to prioritize photography as a key selling point of the Ultra series. That said, it is important to understand that CAD-based designs can still change before final production. Samsung often tweaks materials, finishes, and even camera layouts before officially launching a device. What appears in leaks months before launch is rarely the final version seen in stores. The big question remains whether this hands-on video is authentic. Based on the loose packaging, plastic-looking materials, and lack of premium build quality, the evidence strongly suggests that this is not a real Galaxy S26 Ultra. Instead, it appears to be a dummy unit modeled after leaked CAD designs. While the video may not be fake in the sense of being completely made up, it is misleading if presented as a real, finished product. Videos like this can still be useful, but they should be viewed with caution. They can help spark discussion and give early hints about design direction, but they should never be treated as confirmation. Only official announcements and launch events can truly reveal what Samsung is planning. Looking at the bigger picture, this leak shows how excited people are about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Even a possible dummy unit is enough to generate massive discussion online. This level of interest puts pressure on Samsung to deliver meaningful improvements in design, comfort, and performance. Until Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy S26 Ultra, everything seen in leaks should be considered early and unfinished. The final device may look similar, or it may surprise everyone with changes not seen in any SAID file or dummy unit. For now, patience is key, and official information will always be more reliable than even the most convincing hands-on leak.